goody. Goody. Never say I did not put you on, goody.
Switch my wig, make him feel like he cheating. Switch my wig, make him feel like he cheating.
Who's she? Who's she? Cheri. Yes, see her. This is called Cheri. The color is 0T427, and it's so pretty. It has this really nice curls all over. It's very full. To me, you could run your fingers through it. It doesn't shed, in my opinion. I don't see like any hair or anything coming from it. It is a synthetic unit, but it is heat resistant up to 400 degrees. The wig already comes pre-plucked, but you guys, you're gonna get your tweezers, you're gonna pluck it anyway. However you do your wig installation, she features a middle HD part in the center. The rest of the unit is tracks, so there is no free parting space for the rest of the unit besides the 4x4 parting space in the center. You can do baby hairs with this unit, but I did not do any baby hairs. I just cut the lace off. I didn't try to swoop the baby hairs. I didn't do any of that. It's 4 combs, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and it comes with adjustable straps on each side, so you can tighten the wig if you need to. She has enough fullness so you can wear her like that. I'm gonna show you the next side as well. That is cute. So let me show you the other side as well. So you won't be seeing any tracks. If you want to do more of a like top heavy fringe kind of a style, she is very full to do that. This here is big head friendly for the big head gal, because I am one of them. I don't know if my head big. I know I have a big face. So what for people that have big head, big face, whatever, this is friendly for that. I feel like if you have like a big face, that big hair, you know, it don't swallow you because you have enough face to carry it. Here, this unit is so, it's fresh and it's like flirty. That's why I like it. It's very flirty. I love this color, you guys. It is so pretty. And watch with the light. So if you got tired of wearing it in this really pretty, beautiful island girl beach kind of style, you could flat iron it. I don't know how pretty it's gonna look. That's just me being 100% transparent, 100% honest. I have combed it a little bit with the brush. It didn't seem to really lose its texture. Will this hair get frizzy? I have not worn it for more than a week to know if this hair is going to get frizzy or not. The colors that this comes in is 1B, 2, 0T427, which is this one that I actually have on. And it also comes in 0T530, which is like a reddish burgundy-ish color. Personally, out of all the colors that I mentioned, this one is my favorite. I love it. If you're the type of girl that wears curly hair all year round, you don't care. And I don't really feel like it requires a lot of maintenance. I could imagine if this wig does get a little bit frizzy and a little older, you want to stretch the lifespan, you possibly could flat iron it and try to wear it bone straight. Will it go completely bone straight? I don't know. Being completely honest, I don't think I would rush off into putting the iron to 400 and just trying to press out this hair. Feeling the texture of the synthetic hair that it could withstand 400 degrees. If you want to risk it, sis, by all means, go ahead. The card says 400 degrees. So if you want to chance it, go ahead, chance it. So if you wanted to do a really sleek look with like a ponytail at the back, I think that is an option for this. If you wanted to do a half up, half down situation, I think you can definitely do that. If you wanted to just left it down and get your whole Coachella on, that works too, sis. So get into it. Click the link below, www.shopdisorderlyconduct.com.